Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to this channel. I am again krishush with another fantastic video in Java. So, guys, in this tutorial, we are going to cover up for loops in Java. So, let's see what is for loop is. So, in for loop, there are three parts: initialization, condition, and increment decrement. Initialization part execute only once. Condition part defines the condition for the execution of code block. All the three parts of for loops are optional. Yep, it is optional. So hope so guys you have got what is for loops, but not you don't have any idea about the syntax. So that is what syntax is in front of you. So first of all, you need to write for. After that, you need to initialize a value. After that, you need to write a condition, and after that, increment or decrement. And after that, in the body section, you write your code. And so hopefully you have got what is for loop, but still there is something missing, which is code. So yeah, let's go to the coding area, and there we will see what actually for loop is and how it works. So let's begin. Yeah, so as we are ready to write our first code in for loops. So as you can see there, everything is ready for us. So what we need to do is just we are going to, as per the syntax, we are going to write for. After that, we are going to initialize any value. So let's take int I is equals to 1. Let's suppose 1. After that, I is less than 5. After that, incrementation, which is I plus plus. So that is what our code is ready. First, we have initialized the value of I is equals to 1. After that, the condition I should be less than 5, and after that, incrementation. So let's write the code, and now we are going to write, which is as usual, system dot out dot println. And now the value of I, we want the value of I. So what you are thinking, what will be the output? So let's run it and let's see what will be the output. So it is finishing, and as you can see the output is 4, because 5 will not, you will not able to see the 5 because it is less than 5. I is less than 5. So let's suppose, let's put here 5 555, and let's run it again. So now the output will be from 1 to 49. Sorry, we have put 54, so it will be 54. 55, so it is 54. So now let's do something different. Let's initialize the value differently. Let's remove from here. Let's remove it from here, and after that let's remove this thing also. And what we can remove now is, so let's put it here. So this is ready, and let's increment it here, I plus plus. So now let's run it again. So now again we will got the same output. Oh sorry, I have not put something which is most important thing. This is semicolon. So let's run this code, and again you can see the output is the same. Let's scroll it, and as you can see it is from 1 to 54. And what if we will not put this? Let's remove this, and then again let's run it. So it will be totally, as you can see that it is running, it will continuous run. So there is no any option to stop it except this. So we have stopped, and as you can see that we have write lots of 1. So this is really amazing thing. So let me show you something, another magic, and let's remove this also. Let's remove this also. So what you are thinking now, what will be the output? So we have not put the value of r. Let's print any, let's like, because I just want something from you, and which is like. So let's run it, and as you can see, this is again that condition which is infinite condition. So for that we need to just stop it. So that is how guys this works. So let's give an condition, and let's give it I. No, we cannot give it I. Let's give it I is less than 5. So for that again we need to change here the value which is I, and again we need to increment it, and I is equals to 5. So this is what our code is ready. So let's print it again I. So now you can see the output is nothing. Why it is nothing? Let me check it. And I think because we have created the value for I5, it is wrong. So yeah, that is what the mistake is. So let's change it because we know, let's put here 2, and let's run it again, and now the output will be different, which is 2 2 2 2. Every time 2 it will be 2. So that is how for loop works. So guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have really enjoyed it, so please don't forget to like it, comment on the below if you want any query, if you have any query, and please do not forget to share it with your friends. Guys, hopefully you have subscribed, and if not yet, so please go and subscribe fast. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.